Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. In this video, I'll be taking a look at how honey and olive oil can re-moisturize your hair. You can use it as a deep conditioner to soften your hair, to strengthen your hair. If you're new to this channel is all about natural remedies for hair growth. And if this is what you are interested in, do well to click on the subscription button. And don't forget to like this video if it was helpful to you. Now let's get started. So this is my friend and she came over and I decided to put some nutrients back into her hair. I first off start by sectioning the hair. It's very important to section the hair. This is what I'm using, honey and olive oil. I'll put a link to how I prepared my honey and olive oil so you can watch it, but the link is honey and coconut oil, but at least it's almost the same. I first start off by sectioning the hair, and I always try as much as possible not to use comb on the hair. She wanted to wash the hair, that is why this is the first treatment to do before you wash your hair. You can either decide to do a pre-poo first, you wash with your shampoo, and then you come in with this deep conditioner, honey and coconut oil, and then you finish with just washing it out with a conditioner. But then we wanted this to be our first step, our honey and then olive oil to be our first step. Now, what is the benefit of honey for hair growth? Honey is used as a treatment for wound healing because of its ability to promote hair growth. Honey also cleans the hair follicles by getting rid of impurities in the scalp. This minimizes clogging, which is often a reason for hair loss. Using honey as a hair care ingredient not only boosts hair growth but also stimulates regrowth from dormant follicles. Let me just add this one. Honey also moisturizes your hair. It's filled with so much moisture and also softens your hair. If you are someone with extremely hard hair, introducing honey and olive oil to it is something good to go. So I do this, apply throughout the hair, not forgetting any strand, and I don't soak it so much. I just do it enough so that every portion gets some also. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants and is a unique chemical composition obtained naturally by pressing oils. We all know olive oil is a natural oil. Olive oil is known to strengthen your hair follicles, have soothing impact on the scalp, and even stimulate hair growth. Most of hair care ingredients include olive oil because olive oil is a natural oil which has so much potent natural ingredients. So I do this to the whole part of the hair and then section it and then twist it. I don't really soak it so much that it will be dripping on hair. I just do it enough, not so much. Guys, don't forget the scalp. Make sure the honey gets to the scalp because hair growth starts from the scalp. When the scalp gets enough growth, the hair will also grow and the hair will also have the strength that it needs. And also don't forget to massage the hair, since massaging the hair introduces heat into the hair, encourages hair growth, and then stimulates blood circulation. So this is the final one, and as I said earlier, don't forget to massage the scalp. Massage it as often as you want. If you can massage your hair every day, it's very good because massaging is one of the ways to grow your hair. So yes, after that, this is the next step I'll be doing. I'll have to bring all the hair together and then get ready to steam the hair. Steaming the hair, I can't stress on it enough. If you watch my videos, you realize that I almost steam my hair in all my wash days. If I'm washing once in a week, I always steam my hair. If I'm washing once in a month, I always steam my hair. So after I apply the honey and then the olive oil, I put a rubber on her hair and then get ready to wear her steamer cap. Steaming the hair is very important because you open up the pores for more hair growth. You open up the pores, a pores that could be clogged, or any pores that could encourage hair growth. The hair follicles will come out from the pores. So steaming the hair is very, very good. When heat is introduced onto the skin, the pores in it opens. Same applies to the face as well because beauticians usually steam the face before they apply product. So after I put the rubber on her hair, you can decide to not put a rubber on your hair, but just that the mess in the hair will mess up your steamer cap, your electric steamer cap. That is why it's advisable to put a rubber on your hair before you wear your steamer cap. And it also quickens the steaming process, because the steaming cap, you know, is supposed to trap heat inside your hair, and if there's rubber on your hair, it makes it fast. After 15 minutes, my hair is ready. I mean, my friend's hair is ready. And then I have to go into the shower. I mean, she has to go into the shower and then shampoo her hair. If you could touch her hair, you realize that her hair has become softer, more manageable, shinier, and even the color has changed. If you could, you know, notice it, the color has changed. Watching the video now, I realize that the color has changed. Don't forget to massage after you remove the steamer cap from your hair or from anybody's hair you are doing. She just popped into the shampoo, into the shower, and then I shampooed her hair and conditioned her hair very quickly. I didn't want to film that part because I didn't really see the necessity in including it in the video, so I just added this short part. Now that we are back from the shampoo and conditioning, it's now time to moisturize our hair with oil and butter, and then, you know, stretch the hair. This process, you can either decide to use an electric blow dryer, or you can use the African thread, and that is one of the most popular that most of us use. So in this video, I'll be using the electric blow dryer. But before you use the electric blow dryer, make sure that the hair is well moisturized. If the hair is not well moisturized, it will leave your hair very, very dry, very extremely dry and brittle. So make sure you really moisturize your hair before you apply the blow dryer on it. You can either decide to use shea butter or any hair butter you have, and then seal in the moisture with oil. Let's have a little discussion. How is your natural hair journey like? Are you taking care of it? Do you try taking care of it yourself, or you invest in going to the salons? What is your natural hair journey like? And steaming the hair, you can either do quick one to this video. You can either do it like the way you are seeing it on your screen, or you can use the comb to brush through it, but you should always start from the ends. I enjoy doing the first one, I mean not using the comb, because I feel that is going to minimize a lot of breakage. But you can do which one fits you. You can see her hair has stretched enough. It has become longer, darker, and healthier. Guys, try doing this at least once in a month. If you don't even have time, once in a month won't be bad. Give your hair some nutrients that you think will be needed in your hair growth. I stretched the whole hair, and then I tried to, you know, brush some comb to it. I always use a wide tooth comb because I don't like using comb in general. I'm using a comb in this video because she'll be doing a pony that will need me to use a comb. But eventually she took the comb to do it herself, because I don't use comb on my hair, I was finding it difficult to use comb on someone's hair. So guys, yeah, this is where I get to the end of the video. I'll do this, and then my friend will style the hair. This is what we got eventually, and I think it's a beautiful style. Till next time, bye.